Hi everyone, so I decided to create this series to talk about our chakras. And even if in our Western world we are not living according to this knowledge, but even in our world we already discovered that actually energy flowing through our body and actually we can feel it. I don't think that somebody in even our Western world live now who never ever told that I felt that this person will reach out to me, or I felt that this information already existing. So we kind of feel it, but we don't have knowledge to explain this, how it's going on, how we can feel energy from each other and inside of us also. So I decided some chakras understanding we literally need, and I will go with the classic ones and 7 chakras. And today this video is about our root chakra or Muladhara Chakra. I believe it's really underestimated chakra because we kind of like to be creative, we kind of like to be, I don't know, knowing somewhere something that's up in the stars, but actually what exactly happening with our body, what exactly connecting us with this planet where we were born. So root chakra really about our body and our connection to the ground, to the soil, to this planet. So where it's located? It's located in our body literally as we are sitting on the floor like that, so underneath. And got 4 pentacles. And I don't wanna go in too far inside because it will be a lot of information, and I'm not sure that you need it like if you're just starting your practice, but definitely you need some understanding why it's so important. So root chakra, it's a lot about, as I said, connection with earth, but actually what is coming from the earth? From the earth coming our physical body. So literally we are talking about our health, we are talking about root chakra. If we are not connected to our root chakra, never ever you will be a healthy person. So literally when we are doing our exercises, when we are taking care of our physical body, when we are taking care about our joints, all of this connection and all of this taking care about our chakra. From root chakra also starting our, obviously from my understanding, coming all our energy coming up, starting next chakra. So I believe it's impossible to get healthy up chakras if your base one is not healthy. It's like in a building. If your building is not built on a stable ground, you will be never ever leaving this building without problems. So I believe it's really important to us to understand, especially in our time when we are talking about AI, we are always in our gadget, we're always somewhere, information coming our ways, we are listening music with our earphones, and we are just like disconnected from the reality. It is about our root chakra or already not healthy or on a way to be destroyed. And actually it's really not what we are interested in when we are doing our practice and when we wanna live healthy life. So the color is responsible is red, maybe not bright red, but red with like base red with a little bit of brownish red. And how to get this energy? Connect with the source. How to connect with the source? Literally going outside and be in nature. Sometimes you, I believe, really feel needs to go and barefoot and step on the ground, on a beach. How energetic it is just walking without your shoes. Obviously not when it's too cold or too hot. And this also talking about our root chakra. So this reaction on a cold weather through our legs, this is about our body, our root chakra protecting our full body. Also, it is about food a lot, in a meaning that you need to get healthy food, organic food, food that coming from the clear soil, that coming with and growing with clear water, obviously clear air we need also. So it is a lot about our health. It's a lot about our free space for living. So maybe you notice some problems with cluttering, for example. People collect a lot of stuff. It is also talking that your space overloaded. You don't feel that this is overloaded. You don't feel that you need to clean your space. And this is one of the reasons that we need once in a while check our closet, remove what we are no longer serving us, check our fridge, check our shelves, our purse, like check and remove everything, because this is actually taking free space and not letting us to breathe, not letting to breathe our root chakra. And maybe someone from you already knows that I'm doing a little bit painting that really for me making my life a little bit more meditative, and this meditative process for me. And you can check it out in the description section, a link to my channel where I started to paint chakras, and this actually gave me a lot of more understanding. So I'm coming from knowledge that I received from sources and from my understanding and from my feeling what exactly and how it works. And this definitely a little bit changed my perspective on the chakras. So let's, if you're interested, check it out. So how we can work from a yoga perspective with our root chakra. As I said, clear space in your building, clear space in your body. So all techniques that you know about taking care of your body will be working with your root chakra. If you are talking about the hatha yoga, warming up. So that's why really important when you are starting your practice, every time do at least a little bit warming up. When you are slowly working with your joints and a little bit stretching over like that. So you are literally through this move, from this small ritual that actually not so small, you are working with your root chakra. Also, I believe really important to take care about our health and our skin, because actually our skin is the biggest organ in our body. So really important to clean your body on a regular basis, from inside and from outside. So use natural products, and literally there are a lot of brands. Obviously I would not do recommendation any kind of what exactly will help you, but clean products, natural products, connected with nature as much as you can will definitely help you ground yourself. And grounded, it's meaning connection to your root chakra and building this great and stable basis that will let you grow all other chakras up to the sky. So one more recommendation, you can definitely work with colors. So red color, like brownish red, because bright red for me more association with Manipura, with a solar plexus chakra. So the brownish red will be good for you. Brown obviously 100%, because it's the color of soil, rich soil. And you definitely can work with stones. I wouldn't give it any recommendation because there are a lot of shops, a lot of information in internet now. You can check it out. And for me, what I find out, it's not always the same that recommendation, how I feel it when I'm checking with my hands these stones. It's really important to go to the shop and check this stone, take it and hold it and feel it. And really this feeling will give you source to understanding more even your root chakra, because kind of this feeling, physical feeling inside of your body really connected with your root chakra. So let me know if you got any other questions, and see you next video. Bye.